Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Went to Luohu Jingguanhua Plaza today. Eat boiled fish with pickled cabbage and chili. This dish basin is super big. You can see how big it is in the video later. 2 persons. No need to wait. It is now 17:51. First time here. Yes. There is free flower tea over there. Scented tea is free to refill. But don't tea add too much roselle and tangerine peel. Otherwise it will be too sour.
调的下到刘气一，负5，好，到位，双手加倍，持续的当跟我们一起走。
谢谢。
Thanks. Very impressive. Let me show you how big this dish is. The diameter is almost 60 cm. Like a wash basin. Can't stand for it anymore. Ingredients include fish eggs. There are chrysanthemum petals on the surface. Chrysanthemum petals are edible. What fish is this? Sea bass. The taste is very smooth, no fish bones. The fish is slightly spicy. I can't eat too spicy. Try the soup. The store said that sauerkraut is more delicious than fish. Try the soup first. Very strong pepper flavor. Hot and sour. The fish taste is not too strong. The taste of sauerkraut overwhelms the taste of fish. Fish is the protagonist. You also try. Now try the salad. Spread it out. Actually, the portion is not that small. Just enough for 2 people. It only costs $22, very cheap. There are shrimp, corn kernels and broccoli. Hello 大家好. Shrimp meat is very delicious. The broccoli is not too soft, just right. Crispy taste. Salad dressing is moderately sweet. The crispiness of the crab roll adds a layer of texture. We ate for half an hour. There is still a lot of fish meat and ingredients left. It's enough for 4 people. Pack the rest and take it away. Don't waste it. I'll take everyone to buy souvenirs later and return to Hong Kong. What souvenir? Crispy. We'll suck fingers after eating. The takeaway boxes in this store are good quality. However, the store does not recommend taking it home to eat. Eat it in the store to get the best taste. If you can't finish it, you have to take it away. Don't waste it. Cook and eat on site to enjoy the best taste. I'll take away the hibiscus tea too. Haha. The takeaway packaging bags are very delicate. Next to the entrance of Luohu Commercial City. The name of the store is Authentic Daxin Zhangjiang Steamed Chicken. What's the difference between $38 and $50 roast pig? They are farm-raised pigs and farm pigs. So the price is different. Then I want that canned in $50. About 1 kilogram is enough. Separate packaging into 2 takeaway boxes. This part is the most delicious. I will recommend it to Hong Kong people. Cut a notch in the lid to allow ventilation. Thanks. That ends today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.